Hello students, today we will read chapter 20, Eating Together. So this chapter is talking about the occasions when we eat together. So let us start with school. What are the occasions when you eat together in school? Like we eat together when we have a lunch break. Similarly, when midday meal is distributed, all the students of different classes, they sit together and eat midday meal. Similarly, sometimes we have class parties in, so we decide a day and then we bring food from home and we decorate the classroom and then we have a class party. Similarly, we have certain functions in school like annual day. We celebrate annual day and your parents are invited, and at that time also you eat together. So these are the occasions when we eat, these are the times when we eat together in school. Similarly, we eat together when we have functions like wedding function, or we have wedding functions, or birthday parties. So when we have functions, we invite our relatives, our other family members, and we celebrate the the rituals or the function. After that, we all eat together. Similarly, we sometimes when we visit temple or gurudwara, so you will find that kadha prasad, which is kadha prasad, and then you have lang bhandara bhandara. So at those are also the occasion, are also some of the occasions when when you eat together, like in gurudwara, all the people who are visiting the gurudwara, they sit together and they eat the langar or the kada prasad. Similarly, in bhandara also, the people who visit the temple, or it's not only that the people who are visiting the temple, anyone who is passing through that road where this bhandara is being distributed, so people go there and they eat that bhandara. So these are also some occasions when we eat together. So this chapter is talking about these occasions. Sometimes we have festivals also, like on festival also we eat together, like when we celebrate Eid, or when we have the people of Assam, they celebrate Bihu. So on functions also we eat together. So let us start with this chapter, and this chapter starts with class party. The school reopened today after the vacations. The children share news about how they spend their holidays. So there were vacations and school reopened after the vacation, and the children are discussing like how they have spent their holidays. When did you put mehndi on your palms? Meena asked Aarti. So Meena is asking Meena is asking from Aarti when she applied when did she apply mehndi on her palms. At my uncle's wedding, Aarti said. So at Aarti's uncle's was wedding, so she applied henna or mehndi on her palms. You must have had a lot of fun at the wedding, David said. So, so here the students are discussing about the wedding function, and it was Aarti's uncle's wedding. So oh yes, I enjoyed the wedding feast the most, Aarti said. At the wedding, we had fun with all my cousins and other relatives, eating and doing everything together. So she is talking about the time when all the members of the family or the relatives, they all eat together, and they are saying, and she's saying that she enjoyed their company, and she enjoyed a lot eat while eating together with the family members. Aarti said, "Why don't we do something like this in school? Let us also have some fun together," Rihanna asked. So, after hearing her experience, uh, give Rihanna gave a suggestion like having a class party. So I have an idea, David said. Why don't we have a class party? So now they are talking about the class party. Then we can also eat and have fun together. So they are discussing about class party, and they are also saying that if we do a class party, then they will eat together and they will have fun together. We have parties in our colony. Whenever there is a festival, we collect money from everyone for the party. We cook some dishes and buy other things from the market, Rihanna said. So Rihanna gave an idea like how they can bring food, or how they can arrange, how can they make arrangements, how could they make arrangements of for the party. So she said that when in her colony, they or every all the members of the colony, like, they contribute some money, and after collecting all the money, they buy the things which are required for for doing any party. Rihanna said, "We don't need a festival to have a party. Saturday is a half day. Why don't we plan to have our party then?" So now they have planned that since Saturday is a half day, so they have planned that they will do party on Saturday. Everyone in the class decided what each would bring for the party. On Saturday, the children really enjoyed their party. There was so much variety in food. They played so many games. Everybody was so relaxed. There was singing and dancing too. They decided that they would have such a party again. So they decided that everybody will bring food from their home, and then on Saturday they did their party and they all enjoyed it. And there were a lot of variety in the dishes, because the students have different religious background, might have different religious background. So like, there will be students from South India, so they will bring sambar and idli. The students from North India will bring food like chawal, chole, rajma, these kind of. So there was a variety, and they all enjoyed that party. And they decided like they will do this such kind of party again. Write in your notebook, do you like to eat with others? Yes, of course. On what occasions do you eat together with your friends? So during midday meal, birthday parties. Have you ever had a party in your class? When? What all did you do to arrange the party? So you must have. Nahi, if you have not experienced, but do not say no. You can say yes, we have experience. When? What all did you to do to arrange a party?